Leon Bailey's recent Champions League appearance, and of course, Shenseea's lavish birthday celebrations. But hold tight, because I want to hear your thoughts on everything I'm about to share. You know I love when you guys drop your comments and share your take on these hot topics. Let's get started. First up, Behind Closed Doors, a Jamaican suspense drama, just bagged the Best Caribbean Film Award at the Toronto International Nollywood Film Festival, TNFF. This is a huge win for Jamaica's film industry, especially considering how much work the team put into making this movie happen. Directed by Mark Anthony Deacon and starring Sharado Oliver, Rachel Seaton, and Tommy Lee Sparta, the film follows a young woman in a desperate situation who seeks help from a wealthy entrepreneur, only to find out there's a dangerous price to pay. The movie had such a strong reception that they had to add an extra screening. How amazing is that? Orville Matherson, the producer of Behind Closed Doors, accepted the award on behalf of his team and spoke about how much perseverance it took to complete the project. It was a 6-year journey, guys. Can you imagine? 6 years to finally get it done. And now it's getting the recognition it deserves. What do you all think? Could this be the start of more global recognition for Jamaican films? Let me know in the comments. Next up, our boy Leon Bailey. He made his Champions League appearance for Aston Villa against Bayern Munich, and what a game. It ended 1-0 in favor of Villa. But here's the thing. Bailey came on in the 27th minute and then got subbed off in the 59th. What's going on there? Some fans are wondering if he's fully fit after his recent injury. Even though Villa broke the deadlock late in the game, Bailey didn't seem like his usual explosive self. Do you think he'll bounce back stronger, or should he take more time to recover? Drop your thoughts below. Now on to some lighter, yet extravagant news. Shenseea celebrated her 28th birthday in true dancehall princess style. She started her day aboard a private jet, toured Disney World, and ended the night with an exclusive dinner. She shared all the highlights on Instagram, showing off her pink Chanel outfit, customized jet, and even a Hermes box. Can we just talk about that birthday menu? Ackee and saltfish alongside pancakes and egg whites. Only Shenseea can mix it up like that. Her son, Rogero, was by her side the whole time, and she just seemed to be living her best life. But the real question is, do you think Shenseea's luxurious lifestyle is an inspiration for young women? Or is it just unattainable for the average person? I want to know what you think. Lastly, let's talk about the drama brewing between dancehall stars Valiant and Stock Ashley. They're being called the Jamaican Offset and Cardi B, and the rumors are flying that their chemistry isn't just for show. Ever since they dropped their hit Narcissistic, people have been speculating whether they're a real couple. Now, with a potential part 2 of the song on the way, fans are saying they should just make it official. Valiant has even been dropping hints on Instagram, talking about telling the truth and asking Ashley to make things clear. What's going on here?